So let's review our greetings and manners vocabulary. The page looks like that. There were 2 pages of it, and it starts off with good morning. Remember that good comes all the way down to your hand, and morning is the sun coming up. So good morning. Bad is the same location when you start, but it turns over and your hand turns over. So good, bad. Morning, the sun comes up. In the afternoon, the sun is somewhere in the sky there. And then there's night. And on this page, there is how are you? How are you? And then you can answer, I feel fine. Or you can feel sick or tired or lousy or all right or maybe wonderful. And how are you? We did some manners like please and thank you. Remember that thank you comes out because verbs are directional. So thank you, thank them, or maybe thank God. Okay? Please, thank you, yes, and then no. We talked about asking a question like name what, meaning what's your name, name mine, and then you would finger spell your name. And so we're just asking right now for you to use the first letter of your name. So maybe you have a J name or maybe an L name or M. Mine is an M. My name is M over your ear, like you tuck your hair behind your ear. G or L, I think I said that. Ask me if you want. If you can't remember the first letter of your name, make sure that we talk about that, okay? See you later. When you also meet somebody, you say, I'm happy to meet you. And you're the person that's moving. So you move to that person. So happy to meet you. And if you've not seen anybody in a long time, you can say long time, see none. You can also say live where? Like, where do you live? I'm happy to meet you or happy to see you. And again, verbs are directional. So see you, meet you. Up until now, how have you been? This looks like that. Up until now, in the past, up until now, how have you been? And then bye-bye. So those are some greetings. Now I'm going to have some sentences that I want to sign, and I want you to write them down. You can watch it as many times as you need to. If you want to go back and review the review, feel free to. That is fine. That's totally fine. I will sign it and then pause it so you can write down what I've signed. After you go through all of those sentences, and there's going to be 12, if you will keep going, I will sign it again with my voice and you can check yourself. And I think that might help. Okay? So these are this is a test or homework, whatever you want to call it. But these are the sentences for our greetings and manners. And manners is like saying fine, fine, fine. Okay? So, number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. I might not have gone over this in the review. Let's just see what happens. Number 10. Or. Okay, so that's going to be a T that shakes, and then I'm going to ask this question. And then number 12. Okay, go back, write down what you can. Try to make it an English sentence. Try to make it sound good in English and make sense in English. If you can't, if all you can do is just grab a couple of signs, write those down. But keep going, because now I'm going to sign them again. I'm going to use my voice, and we'll see if that helps. Okay? Number 1. Good morning. How are you? Number 2. Good afternoon. How do you feel? Number 3. Name what? Name mine, Michelle. And that was, what is your name? My name is Michelle. Number 4. What's up? What's up? Number 5. Happy, me, yes, happy. That means, that says I'm happy. I'm very happy. Life is good. Number 6. Sick, me. Feel good. No. Number 7. I'm happy to meet you. Number 8. I am tired. Tired, me. Bad night. I had a bad night last night. Something like that. Number 9. Live where? Where do you live? Number 12 says, I'm sorry. Number 10 is potty and then where. Like, where's the bathroom? And it might have a T or it might have an R. Then the last one is see you later. See you later. And verbs are directional. So I am seeing you, so we go towards you. See you later. Okay, how did that go?